Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. We have this beverage company. They have an asset, a bottling line with a carrying amount of 4 million. So this is the book value. Management estimate undiscounted future cash flow is 4.2. Fair value less cost to sell is 3.5. So they can sell it and there's a cost to sell, but they can get 3.5. And the value in use, the value for them because they're using it, is 3.7. What impairment loss is recorded under US GAAP and IFRS? Let's start with US GAAP. Under US GAAP, we have this screening to determine whether there is an impairment or not before we proceed into computing the impairment. And what we do is we look at the book value, which is 4 million, and we compare it to the undiscounted future cash flow. We see here that the book value is less than the undiscounted cash flow. It means the undiscounted cash flow can recover. It means for IFRS we have no impairment, we stop. So under IFRS it could under GAAP it could be 0 and 0 because C 0 under both framework. But we can take out the 300 under both because we know under IFRS we'll have no impairment and no impairment for US GAAP. Now under IFRS, what do? We look at the carrying amount and we compare that to the higher of fair value less cost to sell and value in use. The value in use is higher, 3.7. 3.7 minus 4 million is 300,000. Under IFRS, we're going to have an impairment loss of 300,000. Now, if you are completing this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. Whether you are a CMA exam candidate, accounting student, studying for a certification or professional career, invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, exercises, cases, simulation, video simulations to help you improve your position. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.